Good morning to all. Welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to start with a new lesson from Unit 7 English Bal Bharati textbook. Lesson number 3, The Egg. Now this is a story. Everybody likes to listen to stories, right? So sit straight and listen carefully. Once upon a time, there was a baby parrot who lived in a nest with mummy and a big white egg. Okay, so who all were living in the nest? There was a baby parrot who lived with his mummy, that is, mummy parrot was there, and there was one egg. Okay, how was the egg? The egg was big and white. Okay, so three of them lived in the nest. Mummy parrot, baby parrot, and a big white egg. Okay, so one day, now this mummy parrot told the baby parrot, now I'm going to find some food. Okay, like your mummy cooks food for you every day and then you eat. But the birds and animals, they cannot cook the food. So they have to go out, find the food. Same way, the mummy parrot had to go out to find some food. Okay, and they feed the birds. How, what they do, they find the food, they store it in their beaks, यानी वो अपने बीक में मुंह में जमा करके लाते हैं खाना और अपने छोटे जो बेबीज होते हैं उनको अपने बीक से खिलाते हैं. Okay, so the mummy parrot went out to find some food one day, and she told the baby parrot that the baby parrot has to look after the egg until she comes back. Returns means what? Comes back. Okay. So mummy parrot said to the baby parrot, now I'm going out, so you need to take care of the egg while I have gone out. You make it sure that nothing happens to the egg. You have to take care. Okay. So just like how your mummy goes out to the market and tells you to take care of your little brother or sister at home when she's out for just a few minutes, like 30 minutes or something, she has gone out in the market and she's to come back. So your mummy may instruct you, come on, now you take care of your baby sister or baby brother. Same way, the mummy parrot told the baby parrot to take care of the egg until she returns. What did I say? What is the meaning of return? Return means come back. Okay. So now this baby parrot was a very nice baby parrot. Okay. He was always obeying whatever his mama told him. Okay, so he looked after the egg carefully for a very, very long time. It was looking after the egg properly. It Now the baby parrot wanted to ensure that it was comfortable. Comfortable means it was, what should I say, like while you sleep. Okay, you turn around a bit here and a bit there till you feel comfortable in a proper position. In one position you feel, yes, yes, now this is very nice position for me to sleep. Okay, or a chair, a big chair with soft cushions. When you sit, you feel, wow, it's so comfortable. And aram, comfortable means aram. Huh? So very nicely it should remain. So that is the reason, to make the egg comfortable. What the baby parrot did, it just moved it around, and to ensure that the egg does not feel cold, हाँ उसे ठंडी नहीं लगनी चाहिए, इसीलिए what she did, she wrapped her wings around it to make sure it was warm. Warm means what? गरम. गरम means बहुत गरम नहीं, गर्मी नहीं होती है, but ठंडी नहीं लगनी चाहिए. So when you wear a sweater in cold season, how you will feel? You will feel warm. Okay, but if it is hot and you wear a sweater, then you will feel very hot. So we are not talking about hot, but warm. एकदम ज्यादा गरम नहीं. Okay, just गरम. Like गरम पानी हम पीते हैं ना, बहुत ज्यादा गरम पानी हम नहीं पी सकते, but warm water we can drink. The same way, that is the meaning of warm. Just a little little hot. Okay, so she wrapped her wings. Now, what is the meaning of wrapped? Wrapped means just move, hold it together. Okay, पूरा उसको ऐसे जैसे हम ममा को हग करते हैं तो हम दोनों हाथों से ऐसे हग करते हैं. So what you wrap your arms around your mama. Okay, even मराठीमध्ये आपण म्हणतो गुंडाळणं. ओके, आणि हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं, लपेटना. ओके, सो गिफ्ट्स ऑल्सो वी wrap the gifts. Okay, so same way the baby parrot, to make sure that the egg is comfortable, it moved the egg here and there, and also to keep it warm. Okay, what she did, she wrapped her wings around it. Okay, and then suddenly what happened, she thought, Arey wow, I'm so good at looking after the eggs. Very nicely I'm taking care of the eggs. Then she saw some monkeys were playing in the trees. So she thought, "Hey, wow, how nicely the monkeys are playing. Let me, at least I cannot go to play with them, but at least I can look at how they are playing." So she was enjoying, she liked how the monkeys were playing. Okay, and then she tried to call like a monkey. Call in the sense, when you play, you jump here and there and also make different noises. Okay, so the monkeys, they were making different types of noises. So the baby parrot tried to call like a monkey, means tried to make a noises like monkey. To call means to make noises like monkey. Okay, and she was so engrossed in looking at those that play which the monkeys were playing, that she just forgot about the egg. Okay, engrossed means what? उसी में उसका ध्यान चला गया. monkeys कैसे खेल रहे हैं, कितने मजा कर रहे हैं, ऐसे सब देखते देखते उसका ध्यान उसी में चला गया. And she just forgot about the egg. Then she peered over the edge of the nest and laughed at their games. Now, what is the meaning of peered? Peered means ऐसे झुक के देखना. Edge means what? जहाँ पे खत्म होता है, बॉर्डर जो होता है, आपका विंडो है, वो आपके घर का बॉर्डर है. जब आप विंडो से झुक के नीचे देखते हैं, या टेरेस है, टेरेस का जो वॉल है वो वहां का बॉर्डर है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द एज. ओके, वो एज पे से आप जब झुक के देखते हैं उसको बोलते हैं पियर्ड ओवर, एंड वो जो बॉर्डर है उसको बोलते हैं एज. ओके, so we should never peer over the windows or the terrace. Okay, but you understood what is the meaning of edge and what is the meaning of peered. Okay, I'll just try to show you the edge, just a moment. Yeah, here. So this is the edge of the nest. Okay, this is the edge of the nest. Over the edge of the nest, this baby parrot tried to look down. Okay, and then she laughed at the games which the monkeys were playing. So she was very happy to see those monkeys playing. And suddenly it remembered, "Arey Papri, my mama had told me to take care of the egg and I am simply watching the monkeys. And I am so much involved in the monkeys, I just forgot about the egg." Suddenly the baby parrot remembered, like, now she just turned around and gulped. What is the meaning of gulp? Do you know? When you drink water, excuse me, when you drink water, you make a certain movement in your throat. ना थोड़ा सा जब आप पानी पीते हैं तो आपके गले में एक मूवमेंट होता है, उसको बोलते हैं गल्प. यू गल्प द वाटर. हाँ, यू ड्रिंक द वाटर, बट आप फटाफट जब पीते हैं ना तो गल्प करते हैं उसको. जो जो मूवमेंट होता है उसको बोलते हैं गल्प. ओके, सो हम अगर डर जाते हैं, when we are very much afraid or scared of something, what happens, हम पानी नहीं पी रहे होते, but then we just gulp, है ना, वो swallowing movement, वो गिळणं म्हणतो आपण, गिळणं. हाँ, मराठीमध्ये गिळणं म्हणतो, हिंदी में मुझे भी एट प्रेजेंट मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है. घूंट लेना, हाँ, घूंट लेने का हम एक्शन करते हैं, उसी को when we are actually not drinking water, हम पानी नहीं पी रहे होते, फिर भी वो एक्शन करते हैं. कब करते हैं? जब हम डर जाते हैं. ओके, सो She looked around and then she gulped. Why, because the egg was broken. Now she was afraid. The egg is broken. When mummy will come back, she will be very angry with me. She will be angry that I could not take care of the egg. So she was scared now. Now, first of all, the egg is broken, and secondly, now mama is going to come and scold me. So she was very much afraid. Okay, and then when her mummy returned, she was not angry at all. Mummy did not get angry on the baby parrot. Do you know why? Because there was a little baby parrot, little small baby parrot who had popped out of the broken shell. So mummy said, don't worry, the egg has hatched when I had gone away. Okay, so what had happened actually? It was, why was the egg broken? The egg was broken because the egg had hatched. Now, what is the meaning of hatched? Hatched means coming out of the egg. Okay, and what had come out of the egg? It was the egg of a parrot. So a little parrot had come out. So what is the word used here? Popped. What is the meaning of popped? Popped means there is a little sound when something bursts open. अंदर से कुछ बाहर निकलता है और टूटता है तो एक साउंड आता है एक नॉइज होता है एक आवाज आती है उसको बोलते हैं पॉप सो when the parrot came out of the egg, broken eggshell, there was a sound which is called as popping sound. Okay? आपने पॉपकॉर्न देखा है पॉपकॉर्न जब पॉपकॉर्न बनाते हैं तो उसमें से जो आवाज आती है ना जैसे वो उड़ते हैं पॉपकॉर्न सो दैट इज कॉल्ड पॉपिंग ओके सो a little parrot had popped out of the broken eggshell, and Mama said, the egg has hatched while I was away. Now you have got a new baby sister to play with. Okay, so baby parrot had got a what? A new baby sister. Mummy was not angry because the egg had hatched. What did I say? What is the meaning of hatch? Hatch means to come out of an egg. Okay, so they all live together. Now let's quickly go through the dictation words. B-A-B-Y baby, P-A-R-R-O-T parrot, M-U-M-M-Y mummy, C-O-M-F-O-R-T-A-B-L-E comfortable, W-R-A-P wrap, R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R remember, G-U-L-P gulp, A-N-G-R-Y angry, E-double-G-S-H-E-double-L eggshell, H-A-T-C-H hatch, S-I-S-T-E-R sister, E-D-G-E edge. So these are the dictation words which you will have to learn. Okay, so that's all for today. Next time we'll go through the reading part. Bye.